Today I was inside of one of my favorite Twitter spaces. It's called Expert Advice. I was talking about how the day after tomorrow I'm going to be talking at a conference called Digital Marketing Con. And somebody asked me, are you getting paid for speaking at this event? And how much? And I said, this is actually the first conference all year I'm going to be speaking at where I'm not getting paid. And anybody who follows my content knows that's usually a big no for me. And so a few people were like, why are you taking this gig if they're not paying you? And the reason is this. So Digital Marketing Con is actually in my backyard. It means I don't have to fly out to an event. I don't have to get a hotel room. I don't have to do long distance traveling. And I managed to work out a deal that if I'm speaking at this event, I can bring people with me and use the opportunity to make content. And that's the value that I'm getting out of it in exchange for my speaking services. And so if they had asked me to fly across the world, put myself up at a hotel, pay for all my food, and cover the expenses and not pay me for my speaking services, it would be a hard no for me. And usually that's how it tends to play out. Moral of the story is, don't ask people to make your event a success if you're not paying them. They shouldn't have to pay to make your event a success.